you live alone, you would know that cooking and feeding yourselves 3 times a day, 7 days a week is a full time job in itself. I have been cooking for myself for the last 2 months, and I've kind of figured out a formula that helps me minimize the amount of food I cook and order and still keep myself well fed throughout the week. I made some notes just to ensure I don't miss anything. So, the first thing that I started doing is I limited my choices. I did not give myself room for decision fatigue anymore. I have like three hero ingredients that I rotate between. Then, the second thing you definitely must do is decide which vegetables, protein portions, and carbs you're going to consume in the week. So, you can order your groceries, order or buy them accordingly. ऐसा ना हो जाए कि you're busy within the week and you run out of something. It's not like it's the end of the world. You can obviously always order in, and अभी मेजर सिटीज़ में ब्लिंकिट और ज़ेप्टो के बाद तो इट्स मोर कन्वीनियंट कि आपको जो जब चाहिए आप मंगा दो, जस्ट इन केस यू डू नॉट हैव दोज़ सर्विसेज़ अवेलेबल. इन सच अ सिचुएशन, प्लानिंग अहेड वीकली इज़ रियली, रियली beneficial for you. I am assuming you're eating 3 times a day, 7 days a week. That comes down to 21 meals. Let's say मैं 100 ग्राम पनीर खाती हूँ, बट व्हेन आई गो टू कुक आई विल बी कुकिंग 400 ग्राम्स, knowing कि मैं एक बार बना रही हूँ एंड इट विल काउंट एज़ 2 meals for both of us. आई विल नेवर बी द पर्सन दैट टेल्स यू कि आप सैटरडे संडे लेके पूरे 7 दिन का खाना बना दो, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक दैट विल एवर वर्क फॉर मी. आई कांट डिसाइड दैट लॉन्ग अहेड कि मुझे पूरे वीक में क्या क्या खाना है. आउट ऑफ ऑल दोज 21 मील्स आपके साथ तो ब्रेकफास्ट ही हो गए, एंड दैट्स यूजुअली अ नो ब्रेनर फॉर मी. इट्स एग्स एंड कार्ब सोर्स में इट्स आइदर ब्रेड और ओट्स. देन कम्स लंच एंड डिनर विच आई एम काउंटिंग एज 14 मील्स. उसमें से लेट्स से 4 मील आप बाहर से मंगा दिए या बाहर जाके खा लिया विद इन द वीक. The 10 meals come down to 3 times of cooking if you're cooking 3 portions at once. Usually have like 6 7 combinations that I rotate between week to week basis पे. Of course it's not possible कि आपका पूरे week if you're working a full time job especially कि आपके पास time और energy रहे कि आप पकाओ सब कुछ. For situations like that, to ensure you do not skip meals or resort to junk eating, always keep some alternatives handy. Like for breakfast, I like to keep my chocolate या चोको आमंड एंड क्रैनबेरी म्यूसली. ये चोकोस जैसा ही लगता है तो मुझे तो मज़ा ही आ जाता है ये खाने में. If you are into eating meat, you can definitely stock your fridge up with cold cuts. They are really, really convenient. So this is all that I have been doing. It's not rocket science. It just takes a little bit of patience to figure out your choices. The only rule of thumb I follow is जब भी पका रहे हो उसको 3 गुना पका दो ताकि you can eat it again within the week and not have to worry about cooking again and again. And that keeps me sorted throughout the week. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, suggestions, do let me know in the comments. Help a girl out, please.